We all want to succeed, but sometimes the path to success is paved with failure. And when we fail, we feel like we've let ourselves down. So how do we deal with success and failure? How do we deal with them? In today's episode, we're going to look at the Stoic way of dealing with success and failure. This is the fourth episode in my series on the 12 lessons from 12 great books in under 12 minutes, and we'll be looking at the book Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. Let's begin. Number 1. Success and failure are two sides of the same coin. To the Stoics, success and failure are both merely externals, events that happen outside of our ultimate control. Success may bring fleeting joy. Failure may sting deeply, but neither defines who we truly are. The Stoics teach us that what matters most is virtue, not victory. Think about it. We can't control if our team wins or loses, if we get the job or not, how other people treat us. But what we can control is our response. How we choose to react to these external events, that's what truly defines us according to the Stoics. Number 2. Understand the dichotomy of control. One of the central tenets of Stoic philosophy is what Epictetus called the dichotomy of control. He said there are things up to us and things not up to us. Things up to us include our judgments, choices, and actions. Things not up to us include the outcomes of those actions. For example, a Stoic entrepreneur might pour their heart and soul into building a business. They work tirelessly, innovate constantly, and take calculated risks. But they also understand that factors beyond their control, like economic downturns or shifts in consumer behavior, might cause the business to fail. Instead of obsessing over the outcome, a Stoic focuses on doing their best with what they can control, namely their effort, their strategy, and their attitude. Number 3. Be indifferent to outcomes. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This is the key to understanding Stoic indifference. It doesn't mean being apathetic or not caring. It means seeing success and failure with balanced detachment. When we become attached to outcomes, whether it's winning a championship or acing an exam, we amplify the potential for pain. When we lose or fail, the disappointment can be crushing. But when we detach from outcomes, we open ourselves up to a different kind of freedom. It's the freedom to pursue what's right, without being crippled by the fear of failure or the intoxicating allure of success. Seneca puts it beautifully. It is not that life is short, but that we waste a lot of it. Don't waste your life chasing outcomes you can't control. Focus on what you can, your thoughts, your actions, your character. That's where true success lies. Number 4. Develop grit through virtue. When talking about success, one of the most important traits to cultivate is grit, the ability to persevere through setbacks and failures without giving up. But the Stoics offer a nuanced view of grit. It's not about stubbornness or a blind determination to succeed at all costs. Rather, it's about enduring hardship with courage while holding fast to virtue. Seneca said, "Adversity is a forcing house for the soul." It's in these challenging moments that our character is tested and strengthened. A Stoic doesn't fear failure because they know it's an opportunity for growth. They face obstacles with a clear mind, adjusting their course when needed, but never compromising their principles. They trust in their own resilience and their commitment to doing what is right. Number 5. Cultivate the right mindset. Your mindset is everything when it comes to overcoming success and failure. You can't control the results, but you can control how you think about those results. Here are 5 ways to cultivate the right mindset. First, write daily reflections. Take time each day to jot down your experiences and how you reacted to them. Reflect on your decisions and ask yourself, did I act with wisdom, justice, courage, and moderation? Second, remind yourself of impermanence. Nothing lasts forever, not success, not failure, not happiness, not sorrow. Everything is temporary. Embrace the present moment, whatever it may be, and don't dwell on past successes or worry about future failures. Third, practice morning and evening meditations. Start your day with a meditation focused on gratitude for what you have and the opportunity to do what is right. End your day reflecting on any mistakes you made and how you can learn from them tomorrow. Fourth, visualize challenges in advance. What the Stoics call premeditatio malorum. Imagine potential obstacles and negative outcomes and consider how you would react. This mental rehearsal strengthens your resolve and helps you stay calm when faced with the unexpected. Fifth, develop a strong why. Why do you do what you do? Connect with your deeper purpose and values. When your why is strong enough, it becomes easier to weather the storms of success and failure. In conclusion, success and failure are part of the human experience. They're universal, inevitable, and inescapable. How we react to them, however, that's within our control. The Stoics teach us to be fearless in the face of adversity and unwavering in the pursuit of excellence. By embracing the uncertainty of life, focusing on what we can control, cultivating the right mindset, and living a life of virtue, we can navigate the highs and lows with grace. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. So instead of fearing success and failure, let's embrace them as opportunities for growth, learning, and self-mastery. Let's cultivate the resilience to overcome obstacles and the wisdom to respond with equanimity. Remember, true success isn't just about achieving external victories. It's about becoming the best version of ourselves in the process. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to learn more about Stoic philosophy, here are some additional resources. I've got a playlist of videos from previous episodes of this series, including other videos on Stoic philosophy. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on new content. Thanks for watching, stay resilient, and I'll see you next time.